Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Virat Kohli slogs it out. Jasprit Bumrah goes full throttle in India's practice session. Cricket news. Times of India. Indian cricket team members, including Virat Kohli and Jasprit Bumrah, began their preparations for a two-test series against Bangladesh on Friday. The first test is scheduled to begin on September 19 at the MA Chidambaram Stadium. Coach Gautam Gambhir, who is overseeing his first home series, led the closed-door training session. He was joined by the new bowling coach Morne Morkel and assistant coach Abhishek Nayar. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, shared images from the training session, captioned, "The countdown starts as Team India begin their preps for an exciting home season." The images showed the squad, including captain Rohit Sharma and Kohli, listening to Gambhir and his team. Virat was there for 45 minutes and Bumrah also bowled full throttle, a local source told PTI. Kohli arrived in Chennai directly from London while Rohit was seen at the airport on Thursday night. Other key players like Bumrah, Rahul, and Rishabh Pant also reached the city on Thursday. Sarfaraz Khan will join the team after his Duleep Trophy game. The team is looking to recover from the disappointment of losing to Sri Lanka in August, which was Gambhir's first series as head coach. India will face a confident Bangladesh team, fresh off a 2-0 Test series win over Pakistan. The series holds significant World Test Championship points. After this, India will face New Zealand and Australia in upcoming series. India currently lead the WTC table with 68.52 percentage points, followed by Australia with 62.50 percentage points. Bangladesh is fourth with 45.83 percentage points. The second test between India and Bangladesh will be played in Kanpur from September 27. The TOI Sports Desk excels in a myriad of roles that capture the essence of live sporting events and deliver compelling content to readers worldwide. From running live blogs for India and non-India cricket matches to global spectacles featuring Indian talents, like the Chess World Cup final featuring Praggnanandhaa and the Badminton World Championships semi-final featuring HS Prannoy, our live coverage extends to all mega sporting events. We extensively cover events like the Olympics, Asian Games, Cricket World Cups, FIFA World Cups, and more. The desk is also adept at writing comprehensive match reports and insightful post-match commentary, complemented by stats-based articles that provide an in-depth analysis of player performances and team dynamics. We track news wires for key stories, conduct exclusive player interviews in both text and video formats, and file content from print editions and reporters. We keep track of all viral stories, trending topics and produce our own copies on the subjects. We deliver accurate, engaging, and up-to-the-minute sports content, round the clock.